Don't have any experience yet? Here's how to create it fast. If you're trying to get your first job, you probably already know that it isn't as easy as it used to be. There aren't as many entry-level jobs around, thanks AI, and the bosses that are hiring want you to have experience already, which you don't have because you've never had a job before. It's one of those snake biting tail type of problems. How do you get a job? Get experience. How do you get experience? Get a job. That's enough to give you a headache. But I'm going to quickly explain 3 steps that you can take right now to change that no-win problem into a win-win situation for you. So, step 1, pick one skill that you already use, whether it's writing, organizing, teaching, working with your hands, or being a great listener, or whatever, and use that one skill for one person who needs that kind of help. And then, step 2, document what you did. Write yourself a short note, take a photo, or post about it on social media. And all those things will turn your effort to help into proof that you did actually help. Step 3, do some reflecting. What did you learn from using your skills to help someone else? And what's next? That's the most important question. What's next? So those 3 short steps are exactly how I built my current business. I discovered someone who couldn't get a job no matter what they tried or how much they studied, and he got so bored that he started writing blog posts just to pass the time. So when I found out that he was writing these blog posts, I helped him figure out how to make money from them, and my business grew from there. And as we worked together and I helped him, every time we tried something new, we would both learn something. And we both used what we learned to build our businesses. He turned his skill at writing blog posts into researching and then buying and selling antiques online. And of course, my business is helping people get started with a business. My point? Don't wait for somebody to give you permission to do their job. You don't wait for people to give you experience. You create opportunities to get your own experience. So which step will you start with? Comment, and I'll give you a micro action that you can take. Or if you've already got some skills and experience and you'd like a step-by-step guide for how to turn those into something that could eventually bring in some cash, my $9 mini course walks you through how to figure out which skills to focus on right now and how to figure out whether people will pay you for those skills right now.